coming up the errors of Akari.
Oo nga, no? Hindi man lang offensive attacks talaga eh. Eto, malinaw. Soltones, sabi niya, gusto mo na attack? Eto.
Akari, they need to keep up right away kasi it doesn't matter kung alam mo yun, yung game mo last time tapos
wala yun, oo.
And knockout ngayon eh, it's the match. But good thing for Elisoy, makakabawi agad, finding that.
Pero wag daw natin kalimutan, nandyan si Nang Aiza and Mommy Chi ready to lead in terms of action. Now, veterans are veterans because of what they went through and who they are now. Itong ipapakita nila against Akari. Now, let's head on over back to the huddle here. Sir Seb.
Thank you very much, Alexis. Mommy Chi, na come to terms with Chi Side just being so ageless and still playing so well. Of course, you have to remember Petro won a championship at the last conference. Oh, that's off Pontilla. So you're knocking that in.
Good set so far.
Yes.
Kanina puro nagtatapos sa error, but this time Elisoy is finding a way. Set so far.
Yes.
Kanina puro nagtatapos sa error, but this time Elisoy is finding a way.
Context, the winner of this match will face Signal, and that will be on Thursday right away. The other teams, of course, just waiting for opponents, waiting for the winner. Next time, it's okay. They got an opponent already. Same like, hindi na siya na halos nakakalaro eh. Doon lang siya, papasok siya paminsan-minsan para mag-serve. Bonafé, set-up job. Soltones, appreciating her work, wins her team within 2.
And the Coron, but there was a touch from, lalo na you have a defense pattern na naka-atras ka para dumipensa.
Pineda receiving. Down the middle to Soltones. Soyud kicks it over. The attack. Soyud. Ang daming cross na ina-attempt itong Petro. Oh! Cleanly hit.
Yung set na yun ni Bonafé.
Oo, pero ginawa ng
Sharma, said Domingo just recovered lately. Kaya itong si Villena ang kanilang ginagamit.
Good set for Chamson. It's kept in the air. Musa is there. Soyud twisting around. Soltones punches that through and we are tied at 14. Alam mo, pagka masipag ka dumating sa practice, hindi problema. Kahit sino-sino pa yung spiker mo. Soltones bouncing on the regalo and they have the lead at 15-14. Pero kung minsan, pag may injury, may mahirap din mag-therapy.
Yes, it takes
a
lot of time. But for people like Edsel Soltones who dealt with injuries.
Nagmamadali siya. Magsasakay daw siya ng joyride or something kasi may game yung kanyang letran. Okay. In the meantime, uy, hindi tinawagan. Pwede yun. Borderline yun. Yung kay Soyud. Atake! Oh, may halong swerte rin ito, Akari. Both liberos are hard at work for Akari. Chamson serving. Bonafé, Soyud. Daming butas defensively ng Petro.
This set, let's take a look at that again. Bea Bonafé, knowing na if they...
Ellie and certain teams should just wait for her time, wait for her chances.
Ooh! For Bea Bonafé, it's a very big adjustment dahil as much as she's been playing for years, iba yung bigla ka magiging starter na wala kang choice kung laro mo may papalit sa'yo or anything. Kasi now she has to embrace the role now that Camoy is out,
That's
Mars
so true.
Alba is also out.
Lalim. Soltones shoots and it's a big pickup by Tempiatura downstairs. This is problematic, but they get to it. They will heave it over. Ganyan pag magre-return ka mataas para may chance ka mag-recover. Soyud! Soyud!
Grabe, I haven't seen Ellie Soyud as alert. Kasi Maiso Contillas, you know, she has some tricks up on her sleeves. Pero itong si Ellie Soyud.
Alas responsibilities. By the way, we are in the second set and proceeding here. Again, tama si Mela Tunay. The winner here moves into the next round. Farm Fresh and Cherry Tigo already did the job last Saturday. Soyud uncorks. Pablo accepting. Runner the Coron. Here comes Madrigal. Bonapeg, just be confident. Tina Salak said. Soltones, Chamson, Laksina steady. Soyud wants to win it. Si Soyud hindi ayaw na mahabang kwentuhan eh.
A couple of errors in the first set, but you know she was also a main contributor in that set 1 win.
You know, that's why she takes a
Serving
while.
to ace.
Yan, Ito mo yung likod ng kamay, oh. If you do a slow-mo of that, you'll see how she doesn't do it the same way each time. As Soyud gets it to tie. It's a normal strategic statement. Kung minsan yung maliliit, nakaka-block pa yan eh. Hala. Akari is in the lead by 1, by the way. Chamson denied. Pineda elevating the volleyball. That's loaded! 2-point lead now by Akari as they have scored 5 straight. Should be 11 all. Yes, it is. Soyud from the rear. Oh, too hot to handle.
And Soyud has consistently looked for that cross-court spot. Contact niya sa bola.
That's a good point, yeah.
And I think, you know, being a coach herself, she has this camp where she trains kids.
Oo nga pala.
Being a coach herself, it allows her to be more mindful eh. And then,
Ikaw ba nasubukan mo?
sa mga camps lang, Sir Seb.
Dacoron serve in action. Soyud tries this time and makes it.
Petrogas has tried their best to stay close to Akari.
Myla Pablo will play with her, the serve in action. That should score.
Are just really so high this afternoon. Again, first set 23 attack points, but right now that's also something very nice for Bonifit to adapt as a young developing setter here for the team. Almost scoring a point there.
Yeah, because that was the intention from the timeout.
What a way to end set number 2. Look at the way Greta Soltones avoided.
Yun, mainit masyado yung habol ng Petrov. Now the point of the set brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Iwas. We'll be right back. Mag-isa ka. You need help of the others para maayos kung sino talaga ang gets the point. In the meantime, action. Oh, boy. That is sent outside. Alexis will join us. Nagkagulo. Nagkatamaan yata. Tumama ba si Bang Bonifay? Short serve. Pineda. The usual Cheng. Caper. Back row at work. Pineda. Buhay pa yan, ha? Soltones aimed. Cheng at the net. Dacoron rejected. Pineda.
More into the game now kasi kung kanina nakikita nila yung bola nalalaglag lang and now they have more attempts.
Third set. That's hit out. Soltones lands it against the block.
So sila yung role na kailangan lahat
Saka pag
pinakausap.
nagte-tense up, biglang hindi ka nagsasalita.
Oh! We haven't seen that all afternoon from Eli Soyud.
She has 15 points, including that spike of the set. Brought to you by Duncan, pasalubong ng bayan. It is match point. Chance. Soltones got it in the corner. And Akari will set a date in the next round.
Greta Soltones.
Point of the set brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion.